Hello guys, most of the people do this problem in wrong way. Here 3 plus 7 is 10 minus 60 divided by 2 times 5. Here negative 50 divided by 2 times 5. Here we'll get negative 25 times this 5. Will answer here is negative 125. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here this is bracket, here multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Same way this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we have to follow here left right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Now here the bracket is higher priority. We have to complete this first. So 10 minus 60 divided by 2 times 5. Here this is subtraction, division, multiplication. Here multiplication and divisions are higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this first. In this we have to do left to right rule. Based on this we have to do this first. So 10 minus this is 30 times 5. Now we have subtraction and multiplication, which is first because multiplication is higher priority. We have to do this first. So 10 minus this is 150. Now negative 140 is the correct answer. The answer is negative 140.